For decades, Zimbabwean leaders have been fighting the wrong battles and winning the wrong wars.
Meanwhile, cattle in the rural areas have been dying from tick-borne diseases because most dip tanks have shut down.
Inadequate primary healthcare has made pregnancy a virtual sentence of death for women living in poverty. Child prostitution in high-density suburbs has increased drastically as families struggle to feed themselves. Children are being trafficked across our borders, with authorities either condoning it or turning a blind eye.
Over 50% of Zimbabweans living in the diaspora work 2 or 3 jobs to send money home monthly to keep their families alive. The current government has had 37 years to address poverty in our nation, but over 70% of our people still live in dire poverty, with many who had risen into the middle class slipping into the ranks of the desperately poor. The goal of the BZA's Economic Resuscitation Plan is not just to create a functioning economy, but to win the war on poverty. No longer should cattle die of preventable tick-borne diseases.
No mother should lose her life at childbirth due to inadequate care. No child should be forced into prostitution or trafficked in our country.
No parents should be torn from their families to work a menial job in South Africa from where they send home 50% of what they earn. To all our fellow Zimbabweans at home and in the diaspora, this is the time to be part of the change our country desperately needs. Partner with us today to bring leaders who will lead the war on poverty. We need you.